Good day, all day, every day. This is Sang Win, and this video is about the technical analysis for the NDX for Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. Okay, let's take a look at the last picture of the last video. Okay, the last video we had a nice move up like this. Okay, this was the video of the picture for the last video. We want the W to form, okay, and we want a breakout of the W. But let's take a look at what happens since. Okay, now today the W did form, however, we did not have a breakout of the W. Okay, the price of the NDX moved above the W, which is the breakout line. However, the volume was not strong enough, and we did not have a close of a green candle above the breakout line. So this is not a breakout. This is basically a test, a penetration test. So this is resistance right here, and as you know, the market sell off a lot on this big red candle day, and the next day, which is today, the market gapped down. It gapped down, sell down a little bit, find a little support and bounce back right here with a close uh, right here in the middle. Okay, so basically the NDX represent the 100 tech leaders in the stock market. And when the leaders move, the smaller companies also move. Okay, now most people are wondering, hey, the Dow went up a lot. How come the NDX didn't go up? Well, shouldn't the market be all moved together? No. The answer is no. The market does not always move together. Sometimes the Dow move one direction and the S&P and the NDX move in another direction. Okay? And sometimes the NDX move in one direction and the other two or the other three indexes move in the opposite direction. Now, remember, most of us, we like to trade technology stocks such as Amazon, Facebook, Zim, Apple. So we gotta pay attention to the NDX. The NDX represent the herd, okay, and the group. So usually when the NDX move, the group move, okay. And normally, if the NDX move as a group, your stock most likely is gonna move, okay. So getting back to this right here, we are in a pullback, okay? Two red candle in a pullback. What we want is a green candle tomorrow and a reversal to the upside. We can expect another third day pullback here, but what we really want is a green candle and a reversal up here. Now, I got a couple of questions. People are asking, hey, we got good news about vaccine. How come the NDX sell down? Okay, so here's how it works. So basically, here's how thing works. Okay, there was a big news regarding the vaccine that works 90% of the time, 90% effective. Okay, what that means is the market anticipates the economy is gonna go back to normal. People are going to go back to work. Things are gonna open up again, right? So if people will go back to work, that means they are working less at home, right? That news alone caused the Dow. This is the Dow, okay? Caused a giant gap in the Dow, way up here, way above its high. So the Dow is at new high. Okay. So on that move, the Dow made a new high and then it pulled back a little bit. Okay. So going back to the Dow went up, yet the NDX went down. So basically, as people expect to go back to normal life, they work at home less, right? So they're gonna use less of the technology that work at home. That's why a lot of companies that um, use technology to work at home, they start selling off. So basically, you have to understand how the market anticipates how the economy is going to be. So if you don't understand that, it's hard to explain. But basically, just because there's some good news, that does not mean all the indexes, meaning every stock within the indexes is going to move up together. Okay, the correlation is not always positive. Okay, so let's take a look at here. So basically, we have a nice pullback here. Okay, so what we really want is a green candle and a reversal. However, the market can have a couple more red days pullback. Okay, so when the market is in pullback, um, and those of you who are not familiar with shorting the market and you focus on going long, it is best to trade very small or don't even trade at all. I trade very small at this time because this political time with the presidential, problems and issues, all the stuff that's going on is highly uncertain in the market, and it can send the market in any direction. Okay, giant gap up, giant gap down, and if some of you who like to trade option, a gap up can make you a lot of money, but if you're on the wrong side of the market, you can lose a lot of money, and the time decay is going to kill your position. So as for me, I trade very small, in and out, tiny little bit. When I get a clear signal, or we have a clear sky, I like to use the word clear sky and no thunderstorm, then I trade big position. When I see the signals that shows in my favor. Okay. I guess that will be all. Thank you very much for your time and your support. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe and hit the like. And also, make some comment below. If you want to learn something, or if you're brand new and you want to learn some basic, just make a comment below what it is that you want to learn. And in the upcoming videos, I'm gonna make videos about what it is that you want to learn. Okay? Have a good one, guys.